Hi y'all, my name is Rebecca. Welcome to my channel. I'm getting ready to install the porch railing on the back stairs. And before my son-in-law comes to help me install them, I thought that I would paint these stairs so that I would not have to paint around the railing once it was installed. I purchased this paint at the end of last summer for the front porch. It is the Valspar brand from Lowe's Porch and Concrete paint. I just went over to the color selector and I picked out a color that would coordinate with the siding and the trim and the roof, and I had Lowe's mix it up for me with this Porch and Concrete paint. So I thought I really love it on the front of the house that I would just carry it into the back of the house as well. I am painting of an evening time. It has been brutally hot, and I would rather get out the fly spray and the fly swatter and deal with a few flies than paint this in the middle of the day. And so I'm working of an evening time. I left the back door open so that I could get at least a little bit of cool air, and I will deal with the fallout later. I also have two very nosy chihuahuas, and I did not want to shut the door and have them bail out of the doggy door because they just could not control themselves and had to be in the middle of everything and get paint on their paws and all over the parts of the concrete that I did not want painted. So if they could see me, then they were happy, they were content, and they could just watch from afar. My son-in-law Jacob has arrived to help me install this railing, and by help me I mean I'm going to stand and observe and learn, and he is going to do it. My daughter Ivy is going to help as well, and what he was a little bit concerned with is he loves measurements and he loves everything to be very precise and exact. The concrete sidewalk that is poured is a little off center because it angles out towards a patio that is on the left side of the yard, and so the right side of the sidewalk is not square, and so visually you cannot tell. Measurement wise you can. It was making him a little bit crazy, but he did an amazing job installing these railings to the back porch. I know exactly why my mother wants to have access to the backyard. It's a very pretty backyard. It's very large for city living. So we have a very large lot. We also have a covered porch and a poured patio that I will be redoing this spring. I have some ideas, and so I want to make this a little bit more of a living space for us instead of just the pups. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell so that you know when I've uploaded my next video, and give this video a thumbs up. I don't know if I mentioned or not, but I did in the first video that I did purchase these porch railings from Temu. They were $100, so whatever I do, I like to show you, because guarantee I'm going to do it on a budget. And I do just about everything on this channel: cooking, crafting, DIY home makeovers, and Dollar Tree beauty reviews, because I love to live on a budget and save my coins. And I like to share all of my experiences with my friends. So thank you so much for hanging out with me. Really do appreciate it. I'll catch y'all in the next one.
What do you think?
I think it's wonderful.
Alright.
Oh, they're so pretty.
Now, they're not going to be even because I didn't think to measure the second portion. Do them off the side.
Honey, they're fine.